Well, hello friends. I am so excited to be back to share with you all a simple way to create these adorable fall pocket napkins that will wow your guests for this upcoming Thanksgiving holiday. I don't know about you, but I love to entertain my guests with something interesting to look at on my dinner table. And let me tell you, these eye-catching neutral pumpkins adorned with eucalyptus and jute will definitely catch their eyes. If you are in need of some inspiration to make your Thanksgiving table something your guests will never forget, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. We need to grab all of our supplies and let me tell you what they are. Okay, now go grab your favorite dinner napkins. Can be anything. For me, I'm using my Target Threshold napkins. I love them. They're neutral and white and go with everything. The next thing you'll need to find are some gorgeous floral fall picks with pumpkins. These I happen to find at Michael's. You can also find something similar in color at Amazon.com too. The last supplies you will need are some small little florals. You can use baby spreads. I'm not too sure what these were called. And then also you want to find your eucalyptus. Again, I found these items at Michael's. You can also find something similar at Amazon.com. But now, once you find everything, we can go ahead and begin to build our beautiful dinner napkin. All right, you all. The first step is learning how to fold these napkins. So go back and grab your favorite dinner napkins. Okay, by now I'm going to assume you have your favorite dinner napkin. If so, fold it in half. Now we're going to take the front side facing you and fold it down one more half. Super easy. So don't stress out now, because guess what? We're going to take the same napkin and we're going to turn it over where this napkin is now facing down. Super simple, right? Well, guess what? We have some more folding to do. We're going to grab a corner of the dinner napkin and we're going to fold it in half again. Can you see where the pocket's beginning to develop? How super easy, right? So now we're going to fold it one more time. And hold on to your horses, because guess what? We're going to fold it one more time. How cute is that? You have a little pocket napkin. So now just go ahead and straighten the edges, because now we're going to move on to the fun part. Okay, are you ready for step 2? Let's add some texture and let's add on some jute. Before we add on the jute, go ahead and grab your favorite dinner utensils you'll be using for Thanksgiving. For me, I am going to be using some oldie but goodies. These are from Target or I think Bed Bath & Beyond. But whatever is your jam, go ahead and grab those and place them inside the pocket. How cute is that? It holds everything in place. Now we're going to move on to adding the jute. I love the jute, kind of gives it a rustic, whimsical look with the dinner napkin and give it some texture. I cut a piece about 16 inches long and I fold it in half and I'm going to wrap it around about 4 times. So super easy. I'm not going to tie it too tight, just nice and loosely where it keeps the dinner utensils in place, and again add a little texture to that napkin. How cute, right? Once you wrap your jute around 4 times, go ahead and tie a simple bow. Isn't that adorable? Now if the ends of your bows end up being a little too long, go ahead and grab those scissors and trim off at the edges. All right, step 3, it's time to add more fall. So grab your fall stems and pumpkins and let's get started. Like in the beginning of the video, you saw this fall pick. Now the only thing we're going to use is the neutral pumpkin. Now if you follow me on Instagram and follow my blog, then you already know that white pumpkins are my jam this season and they're all over my home. So it would make sense to have them on my dinner table, right? We're also going to use those eucalyptus I showed. Now, as you see me doing in this video, I'm trying to force the eucalyptus to fit underneath the jute, and it's not working. So simple solution is go ahead and slide off a few leaves, as this will make it so much easier to get the eucalyptus stem to go underneath the jute. Once you get it inside, then go ahead and re-slide on as many of the leaves you would like for your dinner napkin. I love adding some elements of greenery, as this will transition beautifully between my dinner napkin and my centerpiece. And if you haven't seen my centerpiece, then I really recommend you to go to my Instagram, which is Chic Home Life. But once you get it arranged onto the dinner napkin, you can go ahead and press it in shape, and then you're almost there. Now go ahead and grab that little mini pumpkin, slide that through and underneath the jute string. And you may need to make some simple adjustments, but once you get it on, you're able to flex and bend it to your liking. How cute is that? I love it. But we can't stop there, right? So make your adjustments, get that bow in place, and we're going to add on one more piece. The last piece is this, I don't know what to call this little flower, but it's to me very similar to baby's breath, but we're going to add that just to give it a little bit more dimension. And once you have that on, you are all set. Your guests are going to be like, thumbs up, I love it, how did you make it? Well friends, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'd like to see how I made this centerpiece, then leave me some comments below and I would be glad to share with you all my Thanksgiving table for this season. But as always, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.